All right, today is September 2nd. And Brittany, right there, that black one right there.
Oh.
She wanted to try Dunkin' Donuts, so we're gonna go take a ride to Dunkin' Donuts, and Nicola's gonna drive us. You know where Dunkin' Donuts is at? Look at you. No. They got one over there? It's over there. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. Excuse my hair, I got makeup in my hair. I'm sweating. Can't tell because of my filter. But yeah. They're deciding what they want. Are you getting the iced coffee? Getting the iced coffee? This we came in for the coffee. No. How you gonna pay for it? You got no money? Oh, she got money. Oh, we're not ready yet. Y'all know what y'all want? Huh?
An iced coffee?
What kind? Face all in there? You want to ask her what's the best kind that has chocolate in it? Huh?
They feature favorites. The favorites right there.
But that has like it has caramel in there. No, it has caramel in there. I'm telling you. Like, what's the best coffee to get that has like mocha? That iced mochayana has caramel in it.
The macchiato?
Yeah.
You can add it. It's whatever flavor you want to add. Because other than that, it's just milk and espresso.
Okay. I'm gonna get that large. Like the mocha.
What's up? What's in it? I honestly don't know. It's just this. I don't like it.
Yeah, it tastes like caramel in there?
I don't know how to explain it. It's just a weird taste. It's really a weird taste. Alright, I'm gonna try it. You wanna try it? I mean, do you wanna get a sample first? Alright, cool.
What, loaf? Loaf cake?
It says loaf cake.
Shut up, Nicolette. Are y'all still selling the breakfast sandwiches?
Yeah.
Brittany, what you want? Same thing Bobby getting? I'm getting the one with the vanilla and chocolate on top. Yes? A medium? What you want? Well, you come on, tell me. We've been sitting here this whole time. What you gonna get? Iced coffee? Well, what kind? You like vanilla or chocolate?
Vanilla.
You get the ice chai or something like that. Right there by the orange one. Wanna get that one?
Yeah.
You like it?
Like it tastes like that soap that be in the back.
No? Is it She has none. Sixty days. Alright, I'm gonna get a medium of the ice chai or something. Ice chai.
Who get that?
Tara.
So she wants that?
No, not hers. And a medium.
Chai latte?
Yeah.
That's what that is. Try?
You want to try this first, Tara? You don't like it? So you get the one that me and Brittany getting it? The ice something. Ice macchiato. Ice macchiato. Macchiato. What is it?
It's like you say macchiato.
That's what I just said.
How you did it?
What's up? Huh? What are you doing? Trying to record our experience and you're messing it up. Okay, I'm just gonna get 2 of them medium ice macchiatos. Y'all want something to eat?
Any flavor?
Chocolate, that's just chocolate. What you want to eat? No?
No.
And I'm gonna also get the sausage and egg cheese sandwich. Brittany, you want something to eat? Well, what donut? Yes.
Oh, what they got your favorite, the avocado.
Oh, really? I'll try that next time. Which one you get it? Come on, man. The plain donut. Just one. Where'd you get it?
No.
What you gonna get, Tara?
Glazed donut.
So I need 2 glazed donuts. Why you sit away from me? We're at the one table. Why you gotta be the black person sit at a different table? Yeah. Right there? Right, Nicolette? Can you text Corey later? Lies. Oh, y'all excited? To try something new? Nicolette found another iced coffee place. What's it called? You sure it's not over here? I want to try that hot chicken place over there. Not today, but one day. What y'all get? I got the jelly donuts. Y'all got the jelly donuts? Oh, it's a glaze with the peanut butter or something on it? Caramel? Try get your donut. How it taste? These are the ones I bought from Walmart. So I know it's good. Right, Nicolette? It's good, huh? I know. It's like crack. Actually, Krispy Kreme is the worst. We need to go try Krispy Kremes next time. Y'all been there before?
Next Saturday.
No. I'll be at work.
I think I can see her face.
Nigga, let's say it. I did. We can see your face, pretty cool.
Cry baby.
How did it taste? Did you like it?
Sausage, egg, and cheese.
Nicolette, Brittany, Tara, don't do this. Come on now. Did you like it?
Yes.
Did you like it, Brittany? Did you like it, Brittany?
Yes.
Don't do that to me, baby. Don't do that. Don't shake your hand at me. I'm not your friend. Tell you, you'll get a whooping. Well, you gotta ball my stuff up like that. I've got the sausage, egg, and cheese on the croissant. What time is it?
3:57.
It's in the afternoon and I'm eating breakfast. You're damn right. You're damn right. Look at that loveliness. Oh my God, it's like heaven. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna taste this for the first time. It tastes good. It tastes like chocolate cereal milk. You know what that chocolate cereal milk tastes? After you eat all your chocolate cereal, then you drink the milk.
I don't drink the milk. I don't even use milk. I use the coffee. Like you don't have to drink the coffee while you're eating cereal.
Wow, she put her coffee in her cereal. She's so weird.
No, it's very naturally smart. It's because this coffee is cracking. I have to become smart.
So what do you give it out of 1 out of 10? What do you give your drink?
I give it a 10 out of 10. Become a crack again. Become a crackhead. What's more time?
10 out of 10, 1 out of 10, what do you give your drink? Will you come back here? Would you come back?
Tara said 10 out of 10. We'll come back again. Yay!
Brittany, 1 out of 10, what do you give it?
She said 10 out of 10. About to go again.
Why? You said what? Because you brush your teeth and it tastes weird?
Yeah.
Okay. And Brittany is the one that wanted to come here, by the way. It was her idea.
How are we enjoying ourselves and you just open the camera? Oh, I can't drink it. It tastes weird.
Because I brushed my teeth.
How you have them sisters and mom just...
Well, I give it a 10. I like the drink. It tastes like cereal milk, like I said.
Can I help her?
Brittany, are you crying?
No.
Let's go. Y'all ready to go?
Yes.
Two, three, funky. My darling, I love you.